Good morning, student. Welcome to Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. These are the question of simple interest part 3. There are 4 questions. You have to find out the SI for each of the following. So always remember the rate of interest is always written as per year or per month. If the rate is given in per annum, so we consider the time period in years. If the rate is expressed as per month, then the time period is taken in the month. So the formula what we learned here, the formula is only in the previous part, SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, see, if we have to find out the SI, P given, R given, T given, P given, R given, T given. The first question we'll do here. So SI would be P is 525, R is 10, T is 1 upon 100. Okay, 10 say 10 cancel, 525 1 ja 525 1 ja 525 upon 10, 52.5%. Simple interest is 52.5%. So that would be the simple interest for this. Okay, so you can solve like this, the first question. Second question you can easily solve. So that is I'll be leaving up to you second question. So second question is also easy. 6 month is nothing but you have to convert it into the years. Okay, 6 month equal to half year or 0.5 year. You can put this value here in place of T. Okay, rest as it is P 1200. Yeah, P 1200. So I'll do it. First question was this, second question was this. SI equal to 1200 P into R into T. T is 0.5 upon 100. 00 cancel. 12 ja 144 into 0.5. 72 आ गया. SI is 72. So simple interest is 72 for the question number second. Question number third, we'll solve the question number third. That is a bit important question. I'll solve it for you. See, the formula is the same as it is. So we know what is the amount ka formula. Amount equal to P plus SI. So here amount given, P given. We know amount equal to principal plus SI. Simple interest. Principal amount ka value is 1,50,000. 1 2 principal 1,31,000. 1,31,000. 1 2 3 plus SI. So SI equal to, it will go here. SI equal to 10 minus 1 9, 4 minus 3 1, 19,000. The SI would be 19,000 for the same. So you can calculate SI like this. SI is itna rupees. So SI would be rupees 19,500. So third one, the fourth one is like this. P and A given. So again A equal to P plus SI. Okay, A, what is A ka value? 51575. P ka value 1250 plus SI. So SI, this is in plus, transposing on the left hand side, it will become 1575 minus 1250 equal to SI. So minus kar do, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 get 2, 325 equal to SI. So this is the SI for the same. So these are the answers for these questions. Thank you very much for do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.